Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Travel with Toniann, and today we are in one of my favorite parishes, and that is St. Elizabeth Treasure Beach in Jamaica. Now, I just love Treasure Beach. It's one of those hidden gems, not frequented by much tourists, and Treasure Beach, or should I say St. Elizabeth, is big on what we call community tourism. Very big on that. So everyone in the community contributes to the tourism development of St. Elizabeth. And I just love it. I love the vibes, I love the people, I love the food. It's very cultural and rich in heritage. For the next 2 days, I'll be spending some time at this villa called Mbira, and they're located in Treasure Beach in a section called Billy's Bay. Now, there are several bays in Treasure Beach. There is Calabash Bay, there is Billy's Bay, there is Frenchman's Bay. I don't remember the other bays, but there are several bays. But Mbira is based in Billy's Bay, and it's a really nice, cozy villa cottage, really nice. And I'm going to share with you my experience there. So, one thing to note, you can use Google Maps to find the villa, and that's what I did. And the scenery is very nice, nice, lush Treasure Beach. I really, really love it. And we're here, guys. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the property, but as you can see, they have lots of green space. It's perfect for any event that you're having, perfect for the kids to run up and down and enjoy themselves. I just love it. So let's do a walkthrough. So as soon as you come up these stairs, you have this little patio area, really, really nice. I love the thatched roof, and you have a little dining area here, great for, just eating your breakfast or dinner or lunch and just watching the sunset. Then you walk in to the, I guess you can call this the hangout area. And let's take a peek of one of the rooms here. Let's go. So this is the bathroom, a nice size bathroom, and this is room number 1. And here you have a nice king size bed. Looks really comfy, really nice. And you have your light stands here. And the room actually comes with a space for you if you want to do some work. There's a table and chair there for you. And there's extra storage here. And what I love about this room is that it opens out into the patio area. Look at that. Look at the views. Oh my God, this is what I love about St. Elizabeth, the views. And you have 2 lounge chairs. You can have your coffee here and just enjoy the beautiful views and the fresh air. Really amazing. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. And you can just step out and go onto the lawn area and take a better view of the sea. Really nice. And again, what I love about this property is that it has lots of green space. Really nice to just lounge and just, if you have kids, they would definitely enjoy it. And you get a view of Billy's Bay Beach. And you can see it from there. That's where all the fishermen go to get fish. You can actually take a boat from Billy's Bay there over to Pelican Bar. So the one thing I forgot to show you guys is that there is a shower here, but it's an outdoor shower. It's very rustic, but this is the shower outside. Nice. So we're back inside now. So we have the second room here. This is really nice. It's just roomy and nice. Look at it. You have this nice space here that you can sit down and lounge, and a nice view, and the air is just so amazing. You have lights here, 2 beds. It can basically come together to form one. You have your robe and you have your bathroom. For me, the bathroom is the highlight. It's very rustic. This building was built in 1960, went through about 3 or 4 different owners, and this is what I love. Look at this outside shower. Another outside shower with views. Look at that view. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Look at that. You have a nice view of Billy Bay while you're showering, guys. Okay, so this is the bathroom. You have your towels, your shampoo, your lotion, everything here, and you have a safe. Very important, a small safe. It's nice. I like it. We're on to the next room. So here we have the TV room. This is the TV room where you can just sit down and lounge. Here you'll find books and games, but this is your TV room. And then we're going to the third room, which is the second master bedroom. And you have your closet space here with your safe. It's a king size bed, and here's your bathroom. Really big shower here. Really nice space. I like it. It's really roomy and nice. And we are off to the best part, which are the views outside your bedroom to the pool area. This is the pool area. Really nice. So you have a nice view here. This is really nice. This is the way to go to the beach. I'll show you that later. This is a lookout point. We can go there later, but this is the basic view. Here's a space where you can sit down and eat, and just have a great view of the sea. This view is amazing, guys. Look at this. You can sit down here, have a bonfire, and just look at the views. Look at that. Amazing. All right, guys, I hope you like it so far. We are going to head out to the lookout point, which is here. It's a bit windy. We're gonna just take our time and walk down. So far I am liking this property. And here we have a lookout point. Wow, look at this. Wow. Isn't this amazing, guys? Look at the beach here. Look at it. I can't wait to see the sunset here, or the sunrise, but it's beautiful. This property has been sold, right, guys? Look at it. This property has a lot of space. It's good for a function like a wedding or an event. You have lots of green space here. The space, you know, is well thought of. Again, it was built in the 1960s, went through several owners, and here we have it here. They do have chefs here, and that is a part of the Treasure Beach community. They're big on community tourism, so you find that a lot of people who work at these properties are within the community, so they know each other. There's someone to help everyone, and it's safe, tight knit, and you know, you don't have anything to worry about. It's very low-key, off the grid, and I love it. So yes, here we are. I like this space, very charming and quaint. That's the kitchen. I'm going there a little bit later. And then here I have a nice little outdoor. I love the breeze coming from here. See, it's nice. So we're in the kitchen here, and the services of cooking is available. You can bring your food, or they will source the food for you. So this is it. We're gonna be getting some lobster. This is it. And we're gonna be having it with some gungo, rice and peas.
And a green salad.
And?
A green salad.
And green salad. Special shout out to Jennifer and Nadine for preparing my meals. Listen, these ladies, they're wonderful. They can cook. They were just in the kitchen making sure that I was okay, just cooking up some tasty meal. So we are about to have dinner, guys. This is it. We have gungo rice and peas, the shrimp, lobster, and vegetable. And I'm gonna get a little bit of alcohol. So this is that's the view over there. I'm not sure if you can see, but really nice space. I really like it here. It's really nice. You know, St. Elizabeth just has this vibe that I love, and we're gonna enjoy it. And here we go, guys. I'm digging into my dinner, and it was so good. Like the curried shrimp, the garlic butter lobster, it was really delicious. I really enjoyed my dinner. It's hot. All right, good night, guys. It's my first night here. I'm just spending one night here, and I'm about to go take a shower and just relax. We just had dinner. It was nice, you know, just looking at the sunset and just relaxing. So see you in the morning. So good morning, guys. I had a good night's rest. The bed, oh god, it was so comfortable. So I got up early and I decided to, you know, just walk to the beach, just take a morning stroll, just stretch my legs a little bit and see what Billy's Bay Beach has to offer. So let's go. So we are heading to the beach. There is a path right here that takes you along the beach. Thank you. So this is the beach. It's a bit overcast, but we're gonna make the best of it. You know what I love about Treasure Beach? It is so peaceful and just nice. and it's just cool and quiet, and nobody don't really trouble you. You feel safe, and it's nice. Now, along the beach, you will find this cute little bar hangout spot called Keys on the Beach, and they have events there. I think they said they have something every Friday night, so you can check it out.
Or trespass.
Alright, we are on the beach in Treasure Beach. Just walking and strolling at Keys on the Beach. This is a bar that you can find on the beach. I'm just strolling and taking a walk and just enjoying nature. Alright guys, one thing I forgot to say is that this area is known as Billy Bay, and there are several bays in Treasure Beach. You have Calabash Bay, you have Frenchman's Bay, you have Great Bay, you have Billy's Bay. That's what I remember so far. So this is Billy Bay's, and it's the one that's furthest out in Treasure Beach. All right guys, we are heading back. The best of it is nice and cool and fresh and just peaceful. It's a nice walk, a nice stroll on the beach, just relaxing. It's not a beach that you can swim in. A lot of fishermen come here and go out by the sea. You go up a little bit further. So one thing to note, if you want to go to Pelican Bar, you can book your boat ride here at the beach through Mbira. They work with the Tours JA, and they will be able to book all your tours, all your whatever you need, your excursions, your car rental, everything. They will be able to book it for you. So that's the beauty about it. And a driver, anything you need, right? So yeah, the stay so far has been good. We're gonna get breakfast this morning because you have two cooks there. I slept well. It was very cool and nice. The beds were comfortable. You know, it's a comfortable space. So I've enjoyed my stay so far. Now this is the outside view of the property. Again, lots of green space. So if you have kids, you want to do a function or an event, it's the perfect location. And again, you have the beautiful views of the ocean. Amazing. That for me is a selling point for this property. So after a stroll along the beach, we had this amazing breakfast. We're talking about fried dumpling, or what we call Johnny cake, with callaloo cook up saltfish and some fruits on the side, and we had bitter orange juice. And I'm telling you, this food was delicious. These ladies, they can cook, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And we sat outside in this little veranda area where we could have a view of the nice sea. And as we speak of the cooks, here's a little mini interview I did of them, just, speaking about their experiences and what they offer to their guests. And it was really, really nice of them to, take the time out to just speak with me.
I am Nadine.
And I am Jennifer.
2 months for me.
2 months. I'm here with 2 former owners until this new owner now, so
Okay.
I'm here quite a while.
Breakfast and dinner. And we do your bedroom every morning. Any type of meal.
Okay,
No
okay.
special meal. Any type.
All right. You
Not
can,
only Jamaican,
Yeah.
whatever.
You ask.
Yeah.
And the special in the meal is like a love.
a little love.
Like a love in there. We do like Akan saltfish, some fried dumpling, callaloo, bacon, omelets, and whatever you like in the morning. For dinner, you get curry goat, fried chicken,
Lobster, any style.
lobster, oxtail,
Fish, any style.
yeah, all that stuff.
Come here.
All over the world.
Like, you can name some. Which country?
Canada,
UK, USA. We haven't had German.
Cayman,
Yeah, we
and
have
all
Cayman,
of those.
yeah.
Yeah.
And some small islands.
Some small islands. Okay, and you guys are from the community.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Well, thank you guys for having me here.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
And
Been a
it's been a
pleasure.
pleasure. Yes, your food does taste good, so I like that.
The little love. we
The little love. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, as you can see, this space in St. Elizabeth is all about community tourism. You will see that theme throughout every villa in St. Elizabeth Treasure Beach, because they're big about supporting the community and, just giving employment to people who are in the community. It's a tight-knit community, and we just have to respect that. So I was able to speak with some of the fishermen at Billy's Bay, just speaking about their experience and just Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth on a whole. And I want to say thank you for them to taking the time out just to, chit-chat with me.
You're welcome.
Alright.
Welcome to St. Elizabeth Treasure Beach. We're in Billy's Bay and Treasure Beach. So this is one of the beach that makes up Treasure Beach. We have Billy's Bay. We have French Canary on that side, Calabash Bay, Great Bay. All nice and warm and friendly people, good environment. So this is one of the fishing village. The boats along the beach here. So no boat is at sea today, but shortly a few boats will be going out trying first to the Black River and the Pelican Bar as well. So it's a nice place to come and dine and enjoy yourself. And if you're looking, I'm fishing for me 18-year-old.
Oh, 18.
I'm 55 now, I'm still at that age. I'm born and go like here. Near about 20 minutes. Yeah, so a nice place, man. Treasure Beach, very nice.
Yeah.
This beach is the most first beach ever give away. You can come, you put on a pop on fire, come with your bag, come get fish back home and get the weekend. You're kind and loving, man. Yeah, man, welcome.
Alright.
Nice.
Thank you.
Welcome. Fish gone, man, for hurricane barrel come. Fish gone, I just lobster I kept on. You guys have 40 pot, 50 pot, 60 pot, 70 pot, 80 pot. And you don't catch nothing. You don't catch one crate of fish. 40 pounds, 50 pounds, 30 pounds every day. None at all. So it can get worse and better. Best month we have is from October come month. November, December, January. Because nothing at all. Fishing bad. No fish, just lobster. And lobster are going out, so. And then what fishermen are going to do right now. And March and April, so March and April are hungry time for fishermen. March and April are May. Hungry time, I say, lobster go ban by June. So another hungry again, so the first go on with it and so you can go.
Now even better.
Rock on.
No.
Ready again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, that's a video.
1, 2, 3.
Now, what I love about Mbira is that it's close to a few local spots around Treasure Beach, and we are going to check them out. Now, you do have to drive to them, but it's okay. You can just park your car and just walk along the way, and it's very safe. No one will trouble you. Community is very friendly. The people are lovely, and they look out for you.
So this is Kim's place, and it's a nice vibe for late night. You know, you have your jerk chicken here, your bar. So if you're ever in Treasure Beach, please to check it out.
So one place you can check out is Hold a Vibe Cafe here. It's a cafe, and it's also a retreat where you can just stay. Then up the road from there is a Diners Delight. You can get your nice Jamaican cooked food like fried chicken, curry chicken, and stew pork. There is also Eggy's Beachfront Bar and Restaurant, a nice place that you can just go and have some food as well and chill by the beach. And we are walking up the road here, and again, a really nice stretch to just walk. Sometimes people will be just jogging here just to get their little cardio in, but it's pretty safe. No one will trouble you. Everybody will just ask you if you're okay. Really friendly community. I felt safe, I felt welcomed, and it's just a nice community vibe. Treasure Beach is about community tourism. Now we're heading to the famous Smurfs Cafe. It's in a little area here where there's a wellness center that sells wellness products like your sea moss, anything that's naturally made. And there is Smurfs Cafe that sells authentic Jamaican breakfast. You have your ackee and saltfish with your fried dumpling, your callaloo, and they're usually packed. They're usually full when you get there. You may have to wait a long time because she does get a lot of orders. A lot of tourists come here for their Jamaican breakfast with coffee. I mean, trust me, this lady has been in business for a long time, and she has been doing well for herself. It's one of the most famous restaurants here in Treasure Beach, and she always gets the support of the community. So if you're ever in Treasure Beach, please check out Smurfs for delicious Jamaican authentic breakfast.
That was like 18 chords. About every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry, no, about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Said I rise up this morning, find the rising sun. One love, and then I'm gone. There will be no doom. One heart.
So after a long walk around Treasure Beach, it was time to head back to the villa just to chill for a little bit. I think we're about to get some late lunch, and it's my last day here, so yeah, check out my final moments, guys. All right, guys, I am here just relaxing, drinking some coffee in the middle of the day. It's actually about 3 o'clock, and I just love the space and the vibe here. It's just super amazing. It's relaxing, the air is fresh and bright. It's just a beautiful space to just come and relax and hang out with your family, your friends. It's a great space. So I just love here, right? So if you're ever coming here to, you can come here to relax, unwind, just enjoy the space, right? There is internet, so you can come here and work. They don't have TVs in all the room. They only have a TV room, so you don't really need it because you can get to disconnect from technology, right? As a content creator, I have to have my work, so I always have to be connected. And of course, my cup of coffee. I have to have my cup of coffee because that's what keeps me going. We're about to have early lunch. I'm looking forward to it. So here I have my late lunch, as who would call it. I got some mashed potato, barbecue fried chicken, and vegetables, and it was really tasty. I must say, the ladies here, they can really cook, and that's a part of the warm hospitality that you will experience when you visit Mbira. And I forgot to say, if you are interested in booking this property, visit treasuretoursjamaica.com. They have all the rates there. You can just book your property there. And again, if you want additional services such as booking tours around Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, or Jamaica, you can check them out as well. They do offer that service. They're not going to leave you hanging, so I highly recommend it. So guys, we are leaving, final day, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do, for all your Jamaican content. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I hope to see you soon. And I really hope you like this video, and I really hope you come and visit this place. Really amazing. Until next time, guys, see you soon.